In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Mailchimp with Squarespace. This process is straightforward and will take us just about 5 minutes. Let's begin by ensuring that you have everything in place to get started. You'll need active accounts both on Mailchimp and Squarespace. If you don't have these, pause the video and take a moment to set them up. Once you're ready, let's dive in. Start by heading over to Mailchimp.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you're new to Mailchimp, you'll need to create an account. Don't worry, Mailchimp provides an easy to follow process for new users. Once you're securely logged in, we'll switch gears and focus on Squarespace. Next, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Log into your Squarespace account using your credentials. If Squarespace is new to you, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the platform, as it will help in following the upcoming steps more intuitively. Once you're logged in, we're ready to connect Squarespace with Mailchimp. On the Squarespace dashboard, find the website you wish to link with Mailchimp. You should see an array of options beside your website listing. Click on the 3 dots or actions button to extend more options and head straight to settings. From there, you'll find an option labeled third-party tools. Go ahead and click on that. Now this is where integration magic begins. Once in the third-party tools section, you'll need to find all extensions. Selecting all extensions will open up a suite of potential integrations you can use with Squarespace. In the extension search bar, type Mailchimp. You're looking for the Mailchimp extension from the list of results. Once you find it, click on the Mailchimp extension to view its details. You'll see a prominent option to connect. Click this button. Selecting Connect will initiate the process of linking your two accounts. You'll be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account once again, right from within Squarespace. Enter your Mailchimp account details and grant Squarespace the necessary permissions to access your Mailchimp data. Follow along with any additional prompts that emerge. These steps are designed to ensure your privacy and data security, so it's important to pay attention. Once you've completed these prompts, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your Squarespace account is now successfully linked with Mailchimp. Congratulations, you've now integrated Mailchimp with Squarespace. This integration allows you to seamlessly manage email marketing for your Squarespace site, opening new avenues for engaging with your audience. I hope this guide was helpful and makes your integration process as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching and happy mailing.